In this lesson in understanding culture, society, and politics, we have to tackle the nature, goals, and perspective of sociology. Your behavior when you are with your friends differ compared when you are with your acquaintances. Being with your friends, you can be yourself, do what you want to do, and say what you want to say. But when you are with your acquaintances, you will try to figure out first if what you are doing is alright with them. And you have to think first if what you are going to say is okay with them. Although you are with them, you may not feel that you are part of the group because we live in different environments with different practices, cultures, and beliefs. We have to adjust and understand these differences. This lesson will give you an understanding about sociology as the systematic study of society and social interaction. Its nature, goals, and perspective will also be discussed. So what is sociology? You learned in the past lesson that political science is a social science discipline that deals with the systematic study of the state, nation, government, and politics, and government policies. It is also concerned with the role of individuals and their participation and contribution to the performance of the state's functions. The study of sociology will be a big help for students like you to understand what is happening in politics and your environment and why it is happening, of course. In this way, you can properly respond to these situations and help attain the goals of every organization. Let us first define what is sociology. Sociology is the study of the development, structure, and functioning of human society. According to your module, sociology is a social science that studies man not as an individual but in the context of how he relates with others in a group, needing other people to survive, and vice versa. In short, no man is an island. What are the nature and scope of sociology? There are different types and nature and scope of sociology. Sociology as a field of study is concerned with the study of people in a group or social context, not as isolated individuals, right? So one of the scope and nature of sociology is that it promises to help man understand what is happening in him in relation to his environment, why certain social phenomena occur. Another one is that sociology explains human behavior in relation to social interactions among individuals which cause or influence their behavior. It is a body of related generalization about human social behavior which were taken into account using scientific methods. Those are the nature and scope of. Let's talk about now the different goals of sociology. Obtain possible theories and principles about society as well as various aspects of social life. Critically study the nature of humanity, which also leads to examining our roles within the society. It also appreciates that all things in society, of course, are interdependent with each other. An individual's personal history is connected to his or her environment's history, which is also tied into the nation's history. Another one, it broadens our familiarity on sociological facts which are acquired through empirical process. And incidentally, it makes us realize our prejudices on various social issues, and it also exposes our minds to the different perspectives on attaining the truth. For instance, some theories, especially the social philosophers, argue that the truth is relative. This sociological viewpoint diminishes the theory that there is an absolute truth. Furthermore, the determination whether an action or behavior is good or bad depends on one's social norms. Okay? And what are the branches of sociology? We have 7 branches of sociology. The first one is the social organization. What is social organization? This includes the study of social institutions, social inequality, social mobility, religious groups, and bureaucracy. Number 2 is the social psychology. In this area, it focuses on the study of human nature and its emphasis on social processes as they affect individual or responses, which are called social stimuli. And number 3, we have applied sociology. This is concerned with a specific intent of yielding practical applications for human behavior and organizations. The goal of applied sociology is to assist in resolving social problems through the use of sociological research. Another one is the population studies. In this area of sociology, it includes the size, the growth of the demographic characteristics, the composition, the migration changes, and quality vis-a-vis economic, political, and social systems. In number 5, we have human ecology. It pertains to the study of the effects of various social organizations, religious organizations, political institutions, and many more, to the population's behavior. And number 6, we have sociological theory and methods and techniques to scientifically explain a particular sociological issue. Okay? It explained a particular sociological issue. And in number 7, we have social change. It studies factors that cause social organization and social disorganizations like calamity and health welfare, drug abuse, drastic and gradual social change, political instability, unemployment and underemployment, child and women's issue. Okay? There are 3 sociological perspectives that sociologists employ in sociology. The first one is the symbolic interactionism. The symbolic interactionism view use symbols and face-to-face interaction. It generalizes about fundamental of everyday form of social interaction. While functionalism in number 2, according to this theory, each aspect of society is interdependent and contributes to society's functioning as a whole. Okay? In number 3, we have conflict theory. This view that there is a competition for scarce resources, how the elite control the poor and the weak. Conflict or tension between competing groups enables one to better comprehend social